Hindi naman kailangan perpekto ang ating sinasabi sa Diyos. Di po ba? You can approach the Lord as you are. If you're confused, then be confused before God. If you're anxious, then be anxious before God. If you're ashamed, guilty, then approach the Lord with your shame, with your guilt. Yang bigat ng iyong kalooban, dalhin mo sa Diyos. Kung sawa ka na, suko ka na sayid ka na, iwan mo sa Diyos. At kung wala kang ibang maisip o masabi sa Diyos, then your deep sigh can be your prayer. Leave it to the Lord. Inhale, exhale, release all of your problems, all of your stress, all of your worries, all of your anger, all of your heaviness to the Lord. And God appreciates that.